Hey, this is Ivory with MunchieGoddess.com, and today I'm going to show you how to make air fryer bacon wrapped pickles. It's a great appetizer that everyone will love. For the ingredients, you'll need some pickle spears, bacon, ranch dressing, and Cajun seasoning. Start off by preheating your air fryer to 380 degrees Fahrenheit and set the timer for 12 minutes. Next, we're going to mix together the Cajun seasoning and ranch dressing, and then cover it up and store in the refrigerator until you're ready to use it. Next, we're going to dry the pickles off with a paper towel. Be sure to dry off each side. Next, tightly wrap each pickle spear with one slice of bacon. Here's another angle of me wrapping the bacon. Next, we're going to add the pickle spears to the air fryer. Be sure to add them in a single layer and make sure they are not touching. Air fry for 12 minutes and flip them halfway through. Once they are done, place them on a paper towel to drain, let them cool, and then enjoy. Thanks for watching.